Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Shadow, and today we're gonna be going out into the blizzard, the blizzard, the blizzard. So when we go out to the blizzard, don't expect it to be super warm like a hot sunny day. No. And then we're going outside to the blizzard. So. Alright, getting my shoes on, going through my garage. Alright, we're all set. Now, you know how thick it is out there? Don't expect things to be like how it is. Don't expect anything. Look at that. Look at that. Yellow snow. Whoa! You said, people say there's no blizzards in Kansas. This is a blizzard. Now, today, I'm going to be staying here for a few, not few, but a very long time out here. I'm going to probably stay here for like 10 minutes. Like and follow me, and I will probably make more of these blizzard videos. It's really cold, but I got a strategy. I'm going to stay outside, but no one told me I couldn't cheat. Now, I'm gonna cheat. But look at this. What a disgrace. You don't hear that? What a disgrace. Now, here's my hack. Alright. Whoa! You don't see that? That's how deep it is. That's how deep it is. Now, I'm going out to to take some cover. Oh, it was so snowy, I couldn't even get to the car. So we had to park it all the way at the top of the driveway. And I'll show you later in this video. The back of my leg feels like there's snow in it. And y'all probably should know there's probably snow. Ha! I'm Shadow. I'm not meant for this. I'm meant for the dark. Not meant for the brightness. So, I found my sanctuary here. Okay. Alright. Sanctuary. Okay. Here I am. Okay. Found it. Now I gotta stay here for a little bit. Whew. Okay. I'm about to go viral. I hope I do. Like and subscribe and comment down below if I can stay out here all day long. Right now it's like 19 o'clock. I sound stupid, but I'm doing my My sister put my tablet on a military clock. But look at all this. Look at that. You can barely see it, but it's bright. But there's snow coming in. Ha! Yeah. Okay. I don't think we can survive out here. Comment down below if you think I can survive. You know what? I'm walking up this driveway. To spice things up a little bit. Comment to see if this was a bad idea. Ooh. Ooh. You see that? Ooh. It's cold. 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 Okay. You know what? Stay tuned for part 2.